Hello everyone! Welcome again to my new episode. And today guys, we are going to unbox this thing here. So let's unbox this iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold color, and it has 512 gigabyte storage. So here's the contents of the box. It has of course the iPhone running iOS 13. It has the AirPods with lightning connector, 5-watt USB power adapter, lightning to USB cable, and some documentations. It has 4 cameras, 1 in front and 3 at the rear of the phone. Thanks to its A13 Bionic processor, the iPhone 11 Pro is the fastest phone you can buy in the market. It also has a fast configuration that enables you to transfer your data without any hassle. The iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max are splash, water, and dust resistant and were tested under controlled laboratory conditions with a maximum depth of 4 meters up to 30 minutes. I'm in love with this Face ID, guys, that you don't have to tap in your password or impress your thumb in the home button. At about 10.5 hours of battery life, the iPhone 11 Pro offers good endurance, but the iPhone 11 Pro Max lasts nearly 12 hours on a charge. The fast charger in the box works pretty well, get you to 55% in just 30 minutes. I also love these 3 lenses here that you can switch to. You can also do it manually or adjust the distances through the dials. Here you have multiple options, so you can do filming, and when you swipe it to the right, then you lock the screen while you are filming, so you don't have to hold the home button, and when you swipe it to the left, then you have burst photos. You also have multiple options when using the portrait mode by adjusting the dials on the screen, just like what you do on your Instagram photos. This is the ultra-wide camera footage, the main camera, and the telephoto footage. And this is the slow motion footage. Hello everyone, so I'm here now and I'm testing the camera of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I have here the front and back camera on. Here I am testing the three different lenses, the normal, the telephoto, and the ultra-wide lenses, and at the same time using the night mode setting. Oh, I really fall in love with this night mode automatic setting, which takes advantage of the new wide angle camera that's inside of the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro models. It's equipped with a larger sensor that is able to let in more light, allowing for brighter photos when the light is low. Thank you so much everyone for watching my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet in my channel, please click the notification button and don't forget to ring the notification bell for future videos. Bye!